Venmo prepaid cards. Honest review. Watch before using. Most people get prepaid cards wrong. They assume they are limited or come with hidden fees. The surprising truth about Venmo prepaid cards is that they link directly to your Venmo account, making spending and transferring money seamless, and you won't believe how flexible it can be for daily use. Here's how it works. The Venmo prepaid card is a MasterCard that allows you to spend your Venmo balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs, split bills, and make online purchases directly from your balance. The app tracks spending, provides instant notifications, and even allows direct deposits. For example, if you receive payments from friends or employers through Venmo, you can immediately use the funds without transferring to a bank account. Most people get this wrong. They think prepaid cards are restricted, but Venmo gives full control and real-time tracking of money. Additional benefits include no monthly fees, cashback at select retailers, and quick reload options. Users praise its convenience for budgeting, splitting bills, and everyday purchases. However, there are considerations. ATM withdrawals outside of the network may have fees, and overdraft protection isn't available. Most people assume it functions exactly like a bank account. It's best for managing a Venmo balance and spending responsibly. In conclusion, the Venmo prepaid card is ideal for anyone who wants easy access to their Venmo balance, transparent spending, and a simple way to manage money without a traditional bank account. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial products.